Okay, so we're gonna announce the winner for this giveaway before I show you this giveaway. Okay, so here's the link. Oh, I do not need this. And go to comments. Start. Polly, you are the winner. Congratulations. I will contact you right now. All right, so congratulations, Polly, and we are doing the next giveaways, and the winner will be announced on this date. Same rules. Sometime in the video I'm gonna ask you a question, and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below. Also, this giveaway is for US residents only because shipping does cost a kidney to send internationally, so please only apply if you live here in the United States. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna do stamps and dies. First, we have both these are bigger stamps. This is trees, so you can make a nice forest, and this is a whole flower background. Both very fine lines. And then we have cute bears. This was a big one, so I had to cut it. It didn't fit into my pockets, but these are cute tiny little bears. And we also have some sentiments, very fine lines, but still room to color if you color with a pencil, or if you just if you maybe don't do shadowing, because they are kind of a little bit small, but they are so adorable and perfect for birthday cards. Okay, let's do some dies. A flower and a Halloween die. There's a Halloween hat, but there's also reindeer and a unicorn and little bats. Very cute. I love it. I think I have at least two duplicates of this somehow. Not really sure how. Next one is this vintage stamp. I call this vintage elements. It's perfect somewhere in the background. And if you're the winner of this giveaway, and you might not need any of these, you can always trade with somebody. I know there's a lot of forums and blogs, even like Facebook groups, where people trade stamps that they don't use. Okay, my question is something random. I just need like a random question just for the picker. Let's see. What did you eat for breakfast this morning? That's it. That's the question. Just comment an answer down below, and the YouTube picker will select someone randomly on the date I wrote in earlier. Flowers and sea. Perfect for summer. These flowers I love because they're so simple and kind of like minimalistic, and there's room to color, and you can get very creative with it. And the winner will be announced on this date. And the last one is gonna be a Christmas one. So there's a puppy right there looking at the gift, and also a bunny with gifts and some sentiments. Family is the greatest gift. Merry Christmas. Do not open until December 25th. To you and yours, from us and ours. And there's another one here. Happiest of holidays. Alright, so that was it. A chance to get some free stuff. All you have to do is answer in the comments down below. Very simple, and good luck.